cuties, and welcome to another beautiful episode of Tussar Printed Tussar, episode number 168. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti Kolkata. Keep watching till the end. Some lovely, beautiful printed tussars will be shown in this episode. Product number 1, it's on Munga Tussar with Varli printed in the body, zari woven border in the pallu. Very smart looking, see, it's a Varli printed all over block printing in off-white color. Product number 16990. Very sober all over printing. Varli designed with zari blouse piece, off-white and gold zari blouse piece. So this is the print with zari border, and here is the pallu part. It has a touch of red in the end. You can wear it with a red blouse also, but even with the gold blouse it look very nice. 6990 Munga Tussar zari border. Product number 2, another Munga Tussar, digital florals in black, bold and beautiful, party wear but traditional, soft with a great fall. And here is the plain solid color blouse piece with a copper zari border. Product number 2, and this price is, in case I miss out the price, it's there in the description part, 6990 for this too. Very bright florals. Product number 3, navy, 6990. Paisley printed Munga Tussar again, zari border, all over printing, but it's a very nice different kind of a print in dark navy, midnight blue you can say, with zari stripe, woven blouse piece for this. As I said, you'll see some very interesting blocks in this episode. And of course, this color chart is also very unique. 6990 pure Munga Tussar. Number 4, again 6990 Munga Tussar with patola print. Midnight blue. These look very nice on draping, extremely comfortable, can be worn throughout the year. This is the blouse piece in zari stripe. Pretty, isn't it? And very comfortable. Since these are all pure fabrics, the fabrics are extremely comfortable and skin friendly. Now I have another lovely Munga Tussar with again zari border, body again patola print, but see the color combination. This is the zari woven border, this is the orange and red border block that has been used. The body is in brown patola printed, self printed. Here is the jute woven pallu. and block printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for you. Very nice. It's a without black sari, so those who want to wear it for any festive occasion, you can try this. 5990 for this, 5,990 rupees. Now coming to tussar, zari border tussar with vegetable dye block printing, heavy quality tussar, zari border, all over discharge printing with vegetable dyes. It's a very pretty color combination in earthy shade though, rust and brown color. Product number 66990. Now keep watching this episode. I'll show you some very interesting blocks that I have been the new wooden blocks have been carved recently, and this is the blouse piece for this. Copper rust color. I'm sure you will love this episode because very interesting blocks I'll show you today. 6990. Product number 6. Another rust shade, reddish rust, number 7. Traditional printing, discharge. This seems as if it's alpona done. You know what we give Rangoli, Bengali, we give alpona with rice. We soak rice, and then even with khori mati we also give. But this is, this alpona designs we usually do on the floor. So it looks very pretty with this kind of alpona motifs. Somewhat we do these kind of motifs for alpona during our pujas and occasions. 6990, product number 7. And here is the blouse piece. In any occasion, you just wear a printed tussar, it looks so nice on wearing these, and after draping these always has a different, style statement. Photos come out really nice, and then it's comfortable, it's traditional, and it's pure. Now this is, see, I told you I'll show you some very interesting blocks and concepts. This is a tie and dye tussar. See, this has been dyed with a dark charcoal coffee color with rust, and then discharge printing has been done. The border is throughout hibiscus florals and the body with buta. See how it's going in the leher form, the border. This is the pallu part, 6990. All these are 6,990 rupees. Heavy quality pure tussar, zari border, and you see you have a very nice interesting printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See. Very grand look. Now just the opposite concept of this, body rust and the border in coffee. Printing was given long time ago. But due to the Kolkata weather this year, we received so much of rains that printing was hampered a lot. So finally we got some sunlight, and then we could do the polishing and finishing. This is the blouse piece for this. Pallu. See, all big pallus and nice, bold, lovely block prints. Now see, now you will love this one also. And I'm really enjoying showing you all the new prints that has been curated over the past few months. A very traditional color combination. Usually when the during Boron or during the mother-in-law or the mother can wear during their daughter or son's wedding, during Ashirvad or during Gai Holud, anything, it's really nice combination with bright prints, prominent bold block prints, 6990 zari border in natural tussar color and rustish orange and red color floral border in one side, and upper part will have the single border with contrast mustard rust blouse piece. Now see, the width of these tussars are really big width, and the quality is also very heavy. Last time I had shown not so many prints, I had limited stock and I got so good response, and those who have taken 1 or 2 pieces, they wanted more color options or they wanted to repeat that, but I didn't have much choices. So but anyway, now I've done some nice prints. I'm sure you will love it. 6990, another gorgeous color combination, black and red, our all-time favorite. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, near the Ballygunge railway station. We have no other branches, nor do we do any exhibitions, nor do we entertain resellers. So it's just from the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is provided. There is the Insta page, Lalia@Sanskriti, and also the WhatsApp numbers that is given. You can check out our statuses for regular uploads. You can select from there and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once I confirm you the availability of the product, this is the blouse piece. Once I confirm the availability of the product, you can make the payment in the business account that I will be providing. Once it's done, I will courier it to you. And when you give me the screenshot of your payment, kindly give your name, address and phone number in one format for shipping. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Product number 116990, black red hand block, desi tussar, pure gorgeous traditional block printed tussar. See the pallu, big pallu and prominent blocks. Oh yes, I have some more colors in this. I'm sure you will love these colors, the prints. See, even those you might say bahut chaura border hai, but you know these on draping, it looks so nice since the upper border is narrow. So obviously the broader border in the bottom will not be until unless you are extremely short height, then you can avoid the block, but otherwise this will look very nice in any of your body structure, I suppose. 6990. Wear everything and carry comfortably. I'm sure you will rock. This is the olive green blouse piece, those who want to avoid reds and ranis and oranges. So this is a nice color combination without red and orange and also without black. It's a very interesting color. Very nice printed pallu, see. Very nice. And the last one in this, it was previous one was red and black, this is rust and black. In fact, it's not black, it's burgundy. It's a dark burgundy coffee color. No black, it's not black. That's why I saw it twice. See the color combination. I'm sure it's quite prominent in the video that it's not black. Upper part. This is the blouse piece. It has zari woven border and also the block. Normal maintenance, dry clean, sometimes polish. That's it. All the color chart is very unique, very interesting. Again, no black, dark slate color with magenta. I wish I could complete this before the pujas. I know so many of you would look so pretty on wearing this, but of course there are so many festives coming, and you can wear this throughout the year actually, because these are all pure fabrics. And since throughout the year, because of the weather, we cannot do our choice of blocks. We cannot use much dyes, much colors. Certain colors, you know, they break, they don't give the right color composition. So it, you know, phete jay jeta amra boli, color ta phete geche in Bengali. So due to that, but now since I have some, you can add them to your collection now that we have these blocks ready now. Now see, coming to colored ones. Discharge print in the body. There are many techniques of printing: digital printing, discharge printing, hand block, pigment printing, screen printing. There are so many ways of printing. And all different from each other, the process, this thing. But anyway, maybe later I can tell you when I do some in future. If I learn to do how to do live videos, then maybe I can explain it to you, because all are done in our workshop. But maybe later. Today let me concentrate on this. I love telling you, you know, I'll keep on speaking on all these stuffs later maybe. So this is the blouse piece in deep red. Here is the border. Bottle green and deep red. Comparatively narrower border than the previous ones that I showed. 6990. All these heavy quality tussars are 6990. Here is the temple printed with zari woven pallu. Another very pretty color, coffee and rust. Each color chart is also very uncommon, I suppose. I'm sure you will like them. And these colors, the combinations, the concept, the printing and the overall look. Blouse. You can use both the borders. This part, since there is the printing in it, you can use it in the sleeves because it will show. The other border, you can use it in the back. Nice, now? Nice combination. This was so much in demand the last time I showed. Those colors also have been reprinted along with this new slate color. I had rust, I had mehendi green, I had blue, 3-4 colors I had printed in a previous episode. So those colors, one pieces have come, but maybe probably sold out also. But this is another new color. It's in slate color. Very nice combination with Dokra block. See the figure blocks. Dokra block printing with Madhubani block printing in the pallu and body with figurines. Here is the body, slate color, blouse piece. Yeah, this is also a nice combination of panel block printing, turquoise, deep and light turquoise. Single color has been used in two deep and light tone, darker tone, lighter tone. Checkered pallu 6990, and the smart part of it is, this is the half part, half and half printing, because it has a checkered blouse piece. Very smart sari. Yeah. Checkered pallu, checkered border, checkered blouse piece with panel block. Very smart looking sari. And the color is also deep turquoise, peacock blue, bluish kind of a color. Now coming to softer part. This tussar is again from another state. Tussar variety depends on the state we have. That was from Chhattisgarh handloom. This is from Bengal. Shaded zari border. So this is softer, lighter zari border. 6350. 6,350 rupees with olive dyed pleats and this turquoise blouse piece. The mothers and the mother-in-laws love wearing these kind of sarees. These are comfortable, easy to carry, but it has a class. Very elegant. 6350. In fact, this time the pictures that I've received, most of you I suppose have gifted your parents these tussars only from the previous episodes that I showed, and it was really lovely receiving your photos, your family photos, sharing the photos in adorning our collection, selecting Sanskriti as part of your celebration. It was really, I'm really honored. This has no zari, 6350, but see, it's a dye. Lower part will have the tussar color and the rest will have these block printing, orange, mustard and beige. Pallu. I remember when I started off, I started selling tussars from 800 to 1200 that time. 26 years back it was that range. That was so ancient age it seems now. Pallu. (21). Again a green and blue. (6350). Cash on delivery we have started doing only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata only via courier. Internationally we are shipping regularly, and it depends on the weight and destination, but 1-2 pieces is more costly than 6-7 pieces. 6350 for this too. Very nice leaf block printing. Hand painting. 22. Desi tussar, zari border. Hand painting, not printing, it's painting. Lovely floral roses in a beautiful shade of green and rani. Very fashionable. I'm sure whoever will get this, it'll be a beautiful style statement. 7990, 7,990 rupees for this gorgeous combination hand painting sari with this rani color blouse piece. Very pretty. Again back to what I was showing. Paisley block, red with slate. Achol, 6990. Those who are very tall, they'll really feel comfortable in draping these. And this sari has a gorgeous printed blouse piece. You know, in fact, these kind of blouse piece, you can mix and match with your dhakais, with your handlooms, with your solid color silks. Anything, which even chiffons, these kind of blouses will look nice. Crepes, chiffons, solid color saris, or with very simple, plain kind of saris with this kind of printed blouse. Really gorgeous. This pallu part is also so nice. See? And in these blocks, I've given these fabric, I've given very big pallu. Another natural color, interesting block print, Alpona concept, Oi Rawat, the elephant block. How is it? Maroon and off-white color, natural virgin color tussar, zari border. See the cut, how well the wood carving has been done to create this block, the elephant block. And the color combination, it's looking so pretty. This is the zari woven border, and this color is going so well with the virgin tussar color. Just single color has been used in this block, but it's an absolutely gorgeous sari with kalamkari block in the pallu, and again the alternate block again in the pallu. 6990. If you like the products, kindly leave a note. It will really encourage the whole team who's been involved in this printing, in this concept, in this sarees. It really, you know, boosts our energy, helps us do better work. Another color, turquoise, again if you don't want reds. $6990. I'll straight away show the blouse piece since already I have draped the red one. This is the blouse piece. Yeah. Ultimately, drape कर ही लिया. Is it clear? Yeah. Charcoal black. This also looks very classy, very classy. The upper block is simple, Alpona block, lower block is broader. Here is the blouse piece. Actually, this is the blouse piece here. Now coming to what I am wearing, Kalamkari florals. No buttas, only border concept, florals. This is slate color with maroon. Throughout there will be the similar print with, I'll show you the blouse, which is very beautiful blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, floral blouse piece. Nice now. Again big pallu. So this is one color. This is another color, blue. With again this printed blouse. Oh. Yeah, more or less I could manage. $6990, all same price. Now I have another very pretty color. This is with magenta and mehendi. All same price with rich floral printed blouse. So since it's floral print, you can make a bigger sleeve or you can make a close neck, boat neck. This is the floral, beautiful kalamkari floral printed blouse, and here is the sari. Very pretty color combination. $6990, and the color that I am wearing, mehendi and coffee, earthy tone. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece for this. $6990, same price, 6,990 rupees for this beauty. Or you can also you can make a full sleeve blouse with this, printed full sleeve, and the body, go for any of a solid color in these two colors. All the florals, you can go for this, that will also look very nice. Now full fitted full sleeve with button here, and then close neck with a solid color in the body part. So this is another color, 6990. The pair of bangle that I am wearing, Kara, it's 2350 for this pair, 2350. See these are premium jewelries with the screw, with very fine, finishing. 2350 for the pair. The Rudraksh neck piece that I am wearing, all handmade, semi-precious stones. See, these stones are quite expensive ones. Rudraksh set, 2450 for the set, 2450. You can wear these with westerns also, with t-shirts and all. Also these look very nice. With a white shirt, just wear this neck piece, or with a denim shirt. These look very nice with western wear also. All handmade jewelries. Is the stones clear? You can see these stones there. With the earrings. So 2450 for the set, and the sari 6990, and a similar sari that the mannequin is wearing, but the printing is different. Combination and the block is different. This is also very nice combination. It will have a solid color rust blouse piece with zari stripe. 6990 for this too. 6,990 rupees for this tussar. So thank you so much. I hope you liked the episode like I liked showing it to you.